What's up, guys? This is my 2006 Mitsubishi EVO IX. Very nice car, has 99,000 original miles on it. Runs great, drives great. It's an MR, so it's a 6-speed manual. Super clean, full bolt-ons, tuned E85. Has right around 400 horsepower. Does hold a rebuilt title from a quarter panel accident. Can't even tell. Whoever did it, fixed it, did a great job. This has been my driver for a little bit now, and I'm gonna sell it. Thing's very clean. The gaps are all good. Headlights are clear. The whole 9 yards. And it is a 9, and it is an MR. So seats are immaculate. 99,000 original miles. Nice stereo system. Hood. Pushing down to the hood. Looks relatively stock, even though it is full bolt-ons. I do have a stock cat at home. That will be included with the sale. Even has this original, I don't know what you call it, like air vent ducting, I guess, that people usually rip out. Bolts are still gold. It does look relatively stock. Has a good sound system. Runs good. Obviously full 85, so it's a little bit of a lope to it. But yeah, no rust either. California vehicle. Just hit, and this quarter panel, I mean, can't tell. It was also about 10 years ago, so whoever fixed it did a great job. Great car. It's a whole lot of fun to drive. It's the JDM rear bumper. Undercarriage is good, clean. These are great cars. They're a hoot. Super fast, super reliable. Well, reliables given what the mods are, but this one's been reliable to me. The interior is really clean. Needs to be vacuumed. Obviously detail, but it was raining out, so hard to get it super clean. Car runs great. Little exhaust rattle, but thing's sweet. This is a fantastic car. It has the original floor mats. I have a receipt for the clutch. I'm not gonna dig through it, but I have a receipt for the clutch, $2,700 worth. That's a plus. MR gauges. Obviously these two aren't hooked up because I have these now, but just really, really clean. Headliner. This isn't your average ragged on, clapped out EVO. I love the gauge cluster. It's always iconic to me. Yeah, if you're interested, price is gonna be 20,000 bucks for him. Cash only, no trades. Spencer's Honda's on Instagram, guys. Thanks.